So thanks for coming. My name is Sam Nixon. I am a presenter, actor, and before I got into the world of show business, I was training to be a chef. So when I left school, I went to college, I was trained to be a chef. My life took a completely different direction. I ended up working in TV, but I always absolutely loved cooking. And because of me working in telly and things like that, I got the opportunity to be on Celebrity MasterChef back in 2015. I got to the final of that. So then since then, I've kind of used that sort of foodie following that I got to kind of start cooking again and putting recipes online and things like that. A couple of years ago, I was looking at one of these bad boys and I absolutely fell in love with it straight away. And I thought, I need to have one of those because I love cooking with fire. So we thought, as it's National Pie Week, we're making a steak and ale pie. So hopefully today, it'll just give you a bit of inspiration for anyone who's got one, who maybe would like to get one in the future. An oven like this is so great for making something like a pie because you've got to make the stew, which takes a long time, and then the pastry just will cook beautifully in this oven. So we've got here some olive oil, a little knob of butter, we've got 4 rashers of smoky streaky bacon, which we've just got nice and golden, and then I've added a carrot, which I've diced up, a red onion, and a stick of celery. Next, I've got some chestnut mushrooms, which I've just cut up into chunks. We've got a nice raging fire going on in here. This side, obviously, because it's directly above the fire, that's going to be your hottest part of this Ironheart. The other great thing I love about this is that this whole worktop can be used. You know, it keeps things warm. It does get up to temperature very quickly, but that initial lighting of it, it almost like becomes a bit of a ritual. And that's what I love about it. It turns cooking into more of a pleasure than what it already is. So this closes and opens. So at the minute it's fully open, which you'd want it open when you're lighting. Obviously, we want as much air to get to it when you're lighting it. I'd also keep the door open when you first lit it. But then you can control it by shutting that off. You can even control it by, there's a little flap here that shuts off the heat going up directly up the flue. So you can shut it off that way. Be able to get into the oven, there's a little valve here that you can just turn. And again, it shuts off, basically what will happen, stops the heat going directly straight up the chimney. And once you've shut that off, it kind of takes it all the way around the oven. So then this oven is definitely getting hot and not just going straight up the flue. Next, we've got 700 grams of beef. It wouldn't be a steak and ale pie without ale. So I like to use an amber ale when it comes to steak and ale pie. And obviously, with it being Yorkshire, I've gone for a black sheep, which I love. But shortcrust pastry, genuinely, is so easy to make. This is just 500 grams, it's all in there in your recipe card. It's 500 grams of plain flour, some salt and pepper, and then there's 150 grams of butter and 100 grams of beef dripping. That's kind of how I would cook a pie on this, but it's so great for everything else that you can imagine cooking on. And you can cook directly on here as well. Like if you wanted to cook a steak directly on there and use that as a frying pan, you can do that. You could do pancakes on there as well. Right, should we cook some pie? Should we do it? It's honestly become a real beautiful thing in our house. I absolutely adore lighting it, and especially when it gets to the colder months of the year and it's time to light it, it's just a joy. It really is.